Dear students, in the last session we have seen some problems of matrices. Now we are going to take the same problem which is based on multiplication of matrices. We have only three problems. After that we should have the concept of another concept, that is transpose of a matrix under the same chapter, that is matrices. Here we have a problem. Today's problem is our trust fund has rupees 30,000 that must be invested in two different types of bonds. The first bond pays 5% interest per year and the second bond pays 7% interest per year. Using matrix multiplication, determine how to divide rupees 30,000 among the two types of bonds if the trust fund must obtain an annual total interest of rupees 1,800 and rupees 2,000. Basically, this question is one of the real problem, that real world problem. Our job is to find the solutions with the help of the concept, that is matrix multiplication, or we call it as matrix algebra. How to write? First, our job is to take these sentences in the form of defined matrices. After that, we should find out the annual total interest of rupees 1,800 and rupees 2,000. First, what we have to write, just to observe. The amount invested in first type of bond, will be rupees X. And that must be invested in second type of bond, will be rupees 30,000 minus X. Correct? We have two bonds, that is two different types of bonds. How to write 30,000? Initially we have to take X. Amount invested in first type of bond will be rupees X, and that must be invested in second type of bond will be rupees 30,000 minus X. That is, consider A is equal to first two matrix in the form of matrix X. After that, 30,000 minus X. This is, you consider this as matrix A. After that, what they are given? The first bond pays 5% interest per year. 5%. Percentage in the sense, you have to divide 5 with 100. Correct? 5% interest per year. And the second bond pays 7% interest per year. Correct? How to write? You consider the first bond pays 5% interest per year, and second bond pays 7% interest per year. Correct? What they are given? They are given for this amount. For the amount 30,000, the first bond pays 5% interest per year, and second bond pays 7% interest per year. So, take B. Take matrix B is equal to 5%. After that, 7%. Correct? You write it as 5 by 100 because of 5%. After that, 7%, which is nothing but 7 divided by 100. because 5 5% is equal to 5 divided by 100. After that 7% is nothing but 7 divided by 100. Percentage in the sense we should take it as by 100. Correct? These are the steps. Next, what we have to take? Multiplication with these by two matrices AB, which should be equated with the rupees 1800 first case. After that, multiplication with AB, we should equate amount with the value of 2000. Then you get the result. After that, now solution A. Now multiplication with AB. Now the matrix multiplication with AB, which is equal to rupees 1800. Correct? What they are given? Amount, the total fund. Correct? The amount they are given 1800. After that 2000. Correct? They are given two type of bond. That is nothing but they are given. First case is 1800 and second case is 2000. They are given. Now, which implies matrix A is nothing but x 30,000 minus x. You should equate with 5 by 100. After that 7 divided by 100, which is equals to matrix 1800. Correct? Now multiplication, which is the order 1 cross 2. This is the order 2 cross 1. Correct? First matrix A has an order 1 cross 2 and B has an order 2 cross 1. Then ultimate order should be 1 cross 1, which is nothing but x into 5 by 100. X into 5 by 100 plus 30,000 minus x into 7 by 100, correct? Which is equal to 1800, which is nothing but 1800, which implies 5 into x, that is 5x by 100, correct? After that plus 7 into 3, 30,000 into 7 becomes 2,10,000. 2,10,000 minus 7x whole divided by 100, which is equal to matrix value is 1800. Correct? And the denominators are same, then you add the numerator value, which is nothing but, which implies 5x, matrix 5x plus 2,10,000 minus 7x whole divided by 100, which is equal to 1800. 1800, which is nothing but 2,10,000 minus 2x whole divided by 100, correct? Which is equal to matrix 1800, which is nothing but matrix 1800. Then by the equality of matrices, what is same? the component should be same. According to the equality of matrices, the corresponding component should be same, because it is also 1 cross 1, which is also 1 cross 1, then you can compare, right? By equality of matrices, we have 2,10,000 minus 2x whole divided by 100, which is equal to 1,800. Correct? Which implies now it becomes numbers. 2,10,000 minus 2x, which is equal to cross multiplication with 100 in the RHS side. What is the value? 8 we have double zero previously, then you add again 2 zeros because of multiplication. What is the value? It becomes 1,80,000. Correct? 1,80,000. After that, you must subtract 2,10,000 minus 1,80,000, which is equals to 2x, which is equals to 2x. After that, 2,10,000 minus 1,80,000. 2,10,000 minus 1,80,000. What's the answer? Answer is 30,000. Correct? Which is nothing but 30,000, which is equals to 2x. What we have to find out? X is nothing but 30,000 divided by 2, which is nothing but 15,000. Therefore, the amount invested in first type of bond will be rupees X, which is nothing but rupees 15,000. Correct? Rupees X, or which is nothing but rupees 15,000. Next, and amount invested in second type of bond will be rupees 30,000 minus X, which is nothing but rupees 30,000 minus 15,000, which is nothing but rupees 15,000. Amount invested in first type of bond will be rupees 15,000, and amount invested in second type of bond will be rupees 30,000 minus X. X is nothing but 15,000. Therefore, answer is 15,000. Therefore, what is the value? X is 15,000 and 30,000 minus X should be 15,000, which is the answer. Correct? Which is the answer for rupees 1,800. Correct? 30,000 divided by 15,000. After that, 30,000 minus X. X is 15, which is nothing but 15,000, which is the answer. After that, the part should be second part. What they are mentioned? The question B, they are given 2,000. For amount 2,000. Now B, rupees 2,000. Consider matrix AB, which is equal to 2,000. What is the value of A? Previously we have X, 30,000 minus X. After that B, 5 by 100, 7 divided by 100, 5%. Right? The procedure should be same. Only changes in the RHS value, 2,000. 30,000 minus x into 7 divided by 100, which is equal to value 2000. The LHS step which is same as the answer for the question that is A, we have solved, correct? Same procedure we have to do for LHS, only changes the value of RHS value. That is, before we have 1800, now we have 2000, that's enough. Which is nothing but 5x divided by 100. After that 2,10,000. Yes, 7x divided by 100, which is equals to the value, correct? Which is nothing but the value 2000. Which is nothing but the value 2000. After that, which implies 5x plus 2,10,000 minus 7x all divided by 100, which is nothing but the value 2000. 2000, correct? Which implies 2,10,000 minus 2x all divided by 100, which is nothing but the value 2000. Now, by equality of matrices, we have 2,10,000 minus 2x, 7 minus 5, right? Divided by 100, which is equal to 2000, which implies 2,10,000 minus 2x. After that, again there is a cross multiplication. 2000 we have 3 zeros before, now we are going to add 2 more zeros. Correct? 2 zeros exactly. 3 zeros and 2 zeros becomes 5 zeros, which is nothing but 2 lakh. 2 lakh, exactly 2 lakh. Now, which implies 2,10,000, you must subtract with 2 lakh, which is nothing but our 2x. Correct? Our 2x. 2,10,000 minus 2 lakh becomes exactly 10,000, which is equal to 2x, which implies, I will write here, which implies x is equal to 10,000 divided by 2, which is equal to 5,000. Therefore, x is equal to 5,000. So, therefore, the amount invested in first type of bond will be rupees 5,000, and will be rupees 5,000, and the amount invested in second type of bond will be rupees 30,000 minus x, correct? Which is nothing but rupees 30,000 minus 5,000, which is nothing but rupees 25,000. Rupees 25,000. How it balance? 25 we have 5,000, 30,000. Amount invested is 30,000 in two type of bond. Originally we have 30,000. And the case number A, for the solution number A, we get the value of x 15,000. 30,000 minus x becomes 15,000. Total it becomes original amount, that is 30,000. That is one of the question. The question is based on what? Matrix algebra. What is nothing but matrix multiplication? Right? One of the standard questions. This question is real world problem. Directly cannot solve. Our job is to convert those statements into simpler way with the help of matrices. After that multiplication, we get the result. This is the question very important for 5 mark, which is comes under 5 mark question. I hope that this is the problem which is based on matrices, and we have only 2 problems left in the concept of matrix multiplication. After that we have the new concept under the same chapter, matrices, that is transpose of matrix. Thank you.